Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is x power 4 plus 25 equals 0. Solving for all values of x that satisfies this equation. So now this is power 4. I can have it as x power 2 times 2. That is 4. Plus 25 is the same thing as 5 power 2. And this equals 0. So right now, we can apply this identity. You have a power x times y equals a power x to the power of y. So we have x power 2 plus 5 power 2 equals 0. So right now, let's consider this identity. If you have, let me use a. If you have a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab, this is the same as writing a plus b power 2. So a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab is the same as writing a plus b power 2. So from here, a squared plus b squared equals a plus b power 2 minus 2 times ab. So right now I can say that the a here is the same as the a squared that we have, that is the x squared that we have, that is our a. And b is the same as the 5 right here. So b here is 5, a here is x squared. So this will simply be, we apply this because the whole of this represents what we have here. So let's transform it with this a plus b, which is, I have, this is a plus b, that is x squared plus 5 raised to the power of 2 minus 2 times x squared times 5, and this equals 0. So from here, we can simply have it as x squared plus 5 power 2 minus, this is 10x squared, and this equals 0. Now, there's 10 here. I can decide to express 10 as square root of 10 raised to the power of 2, because this eliminates this, I have 10 again. So I will simply have x squared plus 5 power 2 minus square root of 10 power 2 x squared power 2 power 2. Remember, we can take the common exponent. X squared plus 5 power 2 minus, this is root 10 times x, or x root 10 power 2. I've just taken the common exponent, and this equals 0. So look at it, there is power 2 here, there is power 2 here, there is minus here. Difference of two squares, a squared minus b squared equals a minus b times a plus b. A is x squared plus 5, b is x times root 10. A minus b will simply be x squared plus 5, that is my a, minus x times root 10, that is my b, times a plus b is x squared plus 5 this is a plus or b is x times root 10. This equals 0. So we can equate each of these to 0 to form quadratic equation. X squared plus 5 minus x times root 10 equals 0. Of x squared plus 5 plus x times root 10 equals 0. So let's solve these two equations. We start with this one here. To solve this, I will rearrange x squared of minus x times root 10 plus 5 equals 0. And I'll also rearrange this of x squared plus x times root 10 plus 5 equals 0. These are the two equations that we are going to solve. So let's start with the first one here. We saw using the formula method, x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. So right now, I can find out my a. In this first equation, my a is 1, which is the equation of x squared. My b is, this is negative root 10, which is the coefficient of x, and my c is constant, that is 5. So let's insert them right here. X equals, this is negative times negative root 10 plus or minus square root of b squared negative root 10 to the power of 2 minus 4 times a, that is 1 times c, that is 5, divided by 2 times a, that is 2 times 1. So from here, x equals, this is square root of 10 plus or minus square root of negative raised to the power of 2 is positive, and square root raised to the power of square will cancel out. So this is 10 minus 20, 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 5 to 20, divided by 2. From here, f x equals, this is square root of 10 plus or minus square root of, this is negative 10, divided by 2. This is square root of 10 plus or minus, this is square root of negative 1 times square root of 10, divided by 2. So from here, f x equals, this is square root of 10 plus or minus square root of negative 1 here is I times square root of 10, divided by 2. I can factor out root 10 over 2. F x equals, this is root 10 divided by 2 times, this is 1 plus or minus I. So we have two values there. That means my x1 is root 10 divided by 2 times 1 plus I. My x2 is root 10 divided by 2 times 1 minus I. Now, let's solve for x3 and x4 using this part of the equation here. Of this particular equation, x squared plus x have x squared plus x times root 10 plus 5 equals 0. We still make use of the formula method. We have x squared or x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2 times a x equals negative b. From here, a is 1, which is the coefficient of x squared. B is root 10, which is the coefficient of x here. And c is 5, which is the constant here. So I have x equals negative b, that is negative root 10, plus or minus square root of, this is root 10, power 2 minus 4 times 1 times 5, divided by 2a. From here you have x equals negative root 10 plus or minus square root of, this square root cancels square. I have 10 minus, this is 20, divided by 2. So from here, I have x equals negative square root of 10 plus or minus square root of negative 10 divided by 2. So we have x equals negative root 10 plus or minus, this is square root of negative 1 times square root of 10 divided by 2. From here we have x equals negative root 10 plus or minus square root of negative 1 is I times square root of 10 divided by 2. So we can factor out root 10 over 2. Then this will be negative 1 plus or minus I. So from here, we have our x3 will be root 10 divided by 2 times negative 1 plus I. And also, x4 is root 10 divided by 2 minus 1 minus I. 4 complex values for x. So we have x1, x2, we have x3, and x4. So ladies and gentlemen, those are the 4 solutions that we have gotten so far. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.